back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about Empties. Yes, I finished up using more products. Alright, so let's go through them. Alright, so the first item that we have here, this is absolutely my most favorite lip product remover of all times. This is from Coagendo. This is their cleansing spa water, and this is some really amazing good stuff since I do have sensitive lips. And I have to say, it is a very pricey slash high-end brand, but to me it's definitely worth it because I do wear like a lot of like lip products. So if any of you guys who have not tried this, I would highly recommend it, especially if you can afford this. Obviously this is their old packaging. They did kind of like revamp the packaging a little bit. All right, next we have these two items are from Glow Recipe. So the first one we have here, this is their avocado melt sleeping mask. It's for moisturizing and forming, and unfortunately as of now this product has been discontinued. And when I used this product, I wasn't really sure, but like I kind of liked it, but I kind of didn't really like it. I was like on the fence about it. But aside from that, I have to say, like, the packaging of like the container is so pretty. I'm definitely going to like reuse this. I'm not really sure what I'm going to put in here yet, but I'm for sure keeping it the packaging. All right, next we have, this is their watermelon glow sleeping mask, and I have to say, this is some really good stuff. First of all, it smells amazing. It literally smells like watermelon, and when you apply this onto your skin, like, it just sinks in really fast. And then like the next morning when you go and wash your face, it just feels so hydrating, very moisturizing. And if any of you guys who have not tried Glow Recipe products, I would highly recommend picking this one up because this is such a really good sleeping mask compared to like other sleeping masks I have tried and used. And since, you know, the holiday season is coming up, I'm sure they probably have like a limited edition set with this product inside. All right, next we have, this is from Fab, also known as First Aid Beauty. These are their facial radiance pads, and I love using these, especially during the summertime. Like, it gets really hot here in Los Angeles, and when the weather gets hot, like, my skin just produces like a lot of oil, and I mean like a lot of oil. So my forehead gets oily so fast, and then sometimes when I produce too much oil, sometimes like my pores like start to like clog up, especially like around my cheek area. Like, it's just so ridiculous. So I use these at least like twice a day. So I use one in the morning and I use one at nighttime, and these are really good, especially even if you have like sensitive or combination skin. You can definitely still use these because they're very gentle on the skin. So I highly recommend purchasing them, especially if you have not tried these out. They will definitely change your skin. Alright, next we have, this is from Super Gloop. This is the Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40. I absolutely love this sunscreen. First of all, this sunscreen can actually double up as like a primer. Like, when you first like apply it on, it has like this really nice matte finish. I'm a huge fan of matte, and you know, the color is kind of like a bit of like a yellowish kind of like color to it. But obviously when you apply it onto your skin, like, it doesn't even look like you applied sunscreen because it kind of just like blends and kind of like disappears. You know, sometimes when you have like those like regular or like those like white sunscreens, and when you apply on, if you don't like fully like rub it in, let it sink in, you're gonna look like a ghost, you know. But with this one, you definitely do not have the issue, do not have the problem at all. So highly recommend this sunscreen. This is like, I would definitely say like one of my top 5 sunscreens of all time. Next we have 2 items. This is from Innisfree. We have the green tea one here, and this is the bamboo one. And for those of you guys who have not tried sleeping masks, they are amazing. So usually what I like to do, especially during like the summertime where it gets like really hot here in Los Angeles, and you know, at night when it's so like hot, like you don't want to like do your skincare routine because whatever you put on your skin, you just like start sweating, everything just starts like melting, and it's kind of like disgusting. So usually what I do is that I would actually wash my face first, and then I would apply on maybe just a little bit of serum, and then I would use a sleeping mask. And that's it. That's pretty much my like summer nighttime skincare routine. And the next morning I'll just wash it off and then continue on with my morning skincare routine. It's just very simple. It's like nice little hack that I like to do. So the bamboo one says it's for smoothing. It definitely does really smooth the skin. And then the green tea one is for hydration, which is definitely really good for like the summertime, you know, like especially if you do have a combination of like sensitive skin. This one is really good. All right, next we have this is from It Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye Makeup 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm, and I love this stuff. This is amazing. First of all, especially like I have tried and used cleansing balms in the past, and for some reason they're just really hard to like scoop out, or like really hard to like get in and like just take the product and like break it down. But for some reason this one, when you just like scoop, the product just like zoop comes up, and it is very nice. I would highly recommend using this one if you are looking for a cleansing balm. I know there's another one which is a little bit more affordable, which is like the Clinique one, which I used to use before, which I definitely do like too, but ever since I discovered the It Cosmetics one, this is my favorite go-to now. We have one more item, and for those of you guys who have watched my previous Empties video, you guys probably see me talk about this product a lot, and I mean like a lot. This is like my absolutely favorite lip balm of all time. This is from Jack Black. This is in the scent Cucumber line. It has SPF 25. This is the best lip balm I have tried and used to date. You know, especially like before this, I used to wear like a lot of the products, and I mean like a lot. If you watch like my beauty reviews, you would see how much the products I actually have. And you know, sometimes your lips get like really dry, especially like with like those matte formulas, or like those like long lasting formulas. When you take it off at the end of the day, your lips are like drying. They're like, I need some lip balm. This is the lip balm for you. I know this is a men's skincare line, but it works really well. And especially since the holiday season is coming up, I'm sure Sephora or Nordstrom or wherever Jack Black is probably, I think it's also sold at Ulta, they probably do have like a good deal on this. So I feel like this is like the time to like grab a Jack Black lip balm if you actually are considering it. All right, so that is pretty much it for this Empties video. So feel free to let me know what empty products you guys have finished, tried, or using, or if you have tried any of these empty products that I have mentioned. I'd actually love to hear your thoughts on what do you guys think of them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.